Hey class, I just really quickly wanted to show you how to navigate our class for those of you who may or may not have done this before. So here's our class homepage, History 101, my email right up front. Please email me if you have any questions. And then a little bit of information. But I did want to show you these options on the left here. So this is our homepage. If you go down one, it'll take you to discussions. And you guys will have group discussions. You'll see them all here, so anytime you need to do a discussion, you'll find them in modules, or you can go ahead and click on this if you want to get there more easily. Grades will be available for you to look at any time just by scrolling down, and you can see what you got. Modules, this is going to be the navigation section you use the most. So in our course, you'll start at the top, and you'll work your way through. Watch the video, read all the bits, hit next. It'll take you to the next one. So I do want you to hit every page here, okay? And when you're done, you'll be taking the syllabus quiz, and that will then open up the following modules. So then you'll have access to the question and answer cafe, which if you have any questions, you can post them there, and your classmates or I will be able to answer those for you. And then also, week 1 will open up, and I do want you to go in order through these. So you'll start with week 1 assignments. It'll tell you what you have to work on. I'm going to add in what readings are due that week, and then you'll be able to work your way through. We'll always end with a quiz, and you'll have various assignments due. We won't have the same thing over and over again. Now, one thing I wanted to show you, we have name coach here, which because I'm in student view, it won't launch that properly, but if you want to record your name for me, and that way I know how to properly pronounce your name, that would be really helpful. And then we have the Confer Now, which I'm going to leave student view to kind of show you what that looks like. So for me, it looks like this. If we view it as student, you'll see the different meetings. So every Thursday at 3 p.m., I have office hours for 1 hour, 3 to 4. And you'll just, on that day when it's 3 o'clock, you'll hit join, and we can have a nice video chat. You can ask me any questions you want. All right, and I think that's it. So happy learning. I look forward to getting to know all of you a little bit better.